Another beautiful folk music, آهنگ چوپان, page 51, lesson number 8, si bemol, mi bemol, and it is not traditional or a classical Persian music. It is folk music that we call it موسیقی محلی. So it's going to be started from re but on C sol or G string and La. To G minor, but the phrases are so traditional and like folk music. One re. Ross chap, re, and sukut, and 1.5 la si, 1.5 la si, 1.5. So we have like a few large frets or intervals here, la re, and it is la 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 re with ris. So you're supposed to practice this interval a lot. And we don't have a do diez or C sharp here, so we are going just to use re coron here, or you are going just to change fret a little bit to the top, and it's going just to give you C sharp or do diez. As you know, these frets are movable. So la re re do do si si la la sol, or la re re do do si 2-1 2-1 is a technique, and you're supposed to practice 1 3 3 2 2 1 2 1 2 1 1 and make it faster without risk. Now I'm going just to play it from the beginning, then you can see how beautiful is this piece. آهنگ چوپان, page 51. Another Kurdish music, page 53, Do Badu, lesson number 11. So it is Kurdish music, as you know, from Kurdistan, and it is fast. But first, let's play it in medium speed, not very fast. So first you are going to play it Ras chap, Ras chap, Ras chap, Ras chap. Another 2-1, 2-1, 2-1. Do yek, do yek, do yek in Farsi. Mi re re do do si si la. 2-1, and then you can apply riz. Mi re re do do si si la with same finger position. So from the beginning. Here. Simple one. Ras, fa, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, si. Here we have lots of embellishment note. Re, do, please play it like ras, or ras, cha. But re, do, supposed to be so fast. Do, si, la, sol, si, la, sol, fa. So, two ras, re, do, then ris from chap. Do, si, ris from chap. Si, la, two ras, ris from chap. Again. Fast. Only notes on top, please, not down. Fa, sol, la, si, la, sol, fa, mi, fa. And you can play 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And the last, fa. Let's play it from the beginning. So I have chosen one of those lessons on page 54 and 55, and I have chosen Zangule from دستگاه راست پنجگاه with C bemol or B flat, and the rhythm is 3-4. You can also play by yourself the lesson on page 54, lesson 12. But the main things about this is feeling. So slow on mood and beautiful, and not very fast or energetic, and you are going just to experience lots of riz and lots of takriz. So we know riz is this or tremolo. When I'm talking about takriz, means rast with a little bit of gap. You are going to start your riz from chap, not rast. So So these are takriz, but riz is always going to start from rast, but takriz, rast and riz from chap with a little bit gap or silence or rest in between. Okay, so now you listen to riz, and sometimes I'm using takriz. By your feeling, please pick one of those and play this beautiful music. Page number 55, Zangule from دستگاه راست پنجگاه, one of the very beautiful دستگاه or from Persian music system. تکریز. Now let's play Riz. Compare it to Takriz. So you have accent on the first note for Takriz. You can repeat it by yourself. The rest is So when you see Rast, Mizrab Rast and T under it, that means Takriz. Here, Takriz. Riz, Takriz. Two, three. So soft and beautiful. Let's play it from the beginning without talking and we play a little bit faster.